So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here, and it is a very glowy skin with a bright lip, perfect for summer and kind of bronzy, and you know, again, very summery makeup tutorial. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. Today's notification shout out goes to Christy A. Thank you so much for having my notifications on, and if you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is first turn on my notifications and then comment hashtag notification squad down below and you'll get one. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face first using the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Forgot to put my headband on, gotta do that. So I'm first gonna push that into the skin with my hands. Then I'm gonna take this handy tool, which I'll link down below. It's called a jade roller, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this stuff. I've only been using it for a few days, and I feel like it's made a difference in my skincare, like 100%. It reduces the appearance of puffiness and fine lines. It tightens your pores, and it just has a lot of other benefits. And I just tend to roll it outwards on my face. And it's also very cooling. The stone itself is very cooling, and it just has a bunch of benefits. I really have to do my eyebrows. And then I use the little part under my eyes and on my nose. And I feel like it definitely helps push the serum into my skin even more. Now I'm just gonna moisturize using the Kim Tai Ofra Wonderlush moisturizer, which they don't sell anymore, unfortunately, but it is like my favorite moisturizer ever. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and let that sit for a little bit. You really want your moisturizer to soak into your skin before you continue on with makeup, so be right back. Next, I'm gonna prime using the Touch Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I literally only use this in the summer because it just gives my makeup, my face, a super pretty glow. So I love to use this in the summer. Just fan that in, let your skin soak that up. Next, I'm going to be using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and this is like a really nice base for glowy skin for sure. For foundation this summer, I love to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Makeup, and since I have a fake tan on, I'm using this shade Sun Beige, which I just picked up today, and I hope it's not too dark because I don't know, you can't really color match in the drugstore. I hope it's also not too light to match my neck. As you can see, there are two different colors, fake tan. So I am a full coverage gal. I don't like light coverage. If you're one of those, it's very buildable. I would say it's medium and buildable. It's not light coverage. I mean, unless you do it with your hands or a sponge where it takes away some of the coverage. But I'm gonna build it up because I really do like my full coverage foundation to cover up these acne scars. Ooh, this might be too dark. Oopsies. I wonder if I should mix the one I have there. Let's do it. Much better, not as orange. Oh my gosh, that was really scary for a second. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C6. Don't know if this is going to be too dark for me because I did buy this for my fake tan as well, but if it is, I have another one in stock just in case. And I like to blend that in with the sponge to sheer it out a bit. I definitely don't like a heavy under eye in the summer especially. And I'm just gonna set that using my Wet n Wild contour kit, which is one of my favorite things in the summer. Very light coverage, but it sets everything right into place. I'm not gonna set the rest of my face because that's the whole point, is to have a very glowy face. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I have found some other things that I like, but I'm just gonna use this one because it gets the job done really quickly. For eyes, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette, and this just has a bunch of neutrals in it, which I'm obsessed with. So I'm first gonna be taking this color in my crease as my transition shade. Also gonna sweep it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here and put it all over my lid. I'm gonna go back into the crease shade. Just blend everything out. I am going to deepen the outer corners a little bit with this shade right here. And just blend everything out with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna come back and finish the rest of the eyes when I'm done with the rest of the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour with the actual contour shade of the Wet n Wild contour palette. Next, I'm just gonna take some Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. This is in the shade Moonlight, and it's a tiny little thing. I've given away so many sets of this because when the holidays were around, they had like a bunch of sets of minis. It was so cute. I loved it. I do like to highlight before I do blush and bronzer. Just makes it blend out a little easier. And I just tap that in with my finger. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Look at that glow. Oh my gosh. Whoa, I'm obsessed. I do tend to go a little bit overboard with the bronzer situation, but I just love these bronzers and I love using them together. They are from Urban Decay and they are from the Beached collection, and I'm obsessed. The first one I'm gonna use is called Bronze, and then I'm just gonna go over with Sunkissed because Sunkissed is more of a blush, I think, on me. It has more of like a rosy undertone, whereas this is like a straight up bronzer. Even so, I like to go in with blush. This is from Burt's Bees and it's Toasted Cinnamon. I'm obsessed with this blush. It is so nice on the cheeks and definitely perfect for summer. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes and take the deepest brown shade that we took on the lids and just put it on the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Goldmine. And this is absolutely perfect for summer. This was also part of their beach collection. And if you have not tried these eyeliners, they are seriously the best eyeliners ever. If you're looking for a good like black eyeliner, honestly, the best formula ever. They last all day, like legit, it lives up to its name 24/7 and it glides on super easily, like amazing. The best eyeliner. But this may not show up as much as like I would like for it to, but it'll give the lower lash line and the waterline like a nice little pop of color. Like when people will look at you, they'll see these little like gold specks in your waterline and like you'll be just like shining and sparkling and it's gonna look so amazing. Before I continue, I want to take some of this highlighter and put some in the inner corners, and yeah, I gotta have that inner corner highlight. Next, I'm just going to take this Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen, and this is a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to put this on my tight line because when I put on mascara and no falsies, I just don't want that like gap to show. And for mascara, of course, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It was one of my last favorites, and it's honestly the best mascara I've ever tried. I don't need falsies with this, and yeah, if you do want to add falsies to this look, you can, but I personally like the glowy skin with the matte eyes and the like more natural looking lashes, so I'm not gonna add any lashes today. For lips, I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade 100 Degrees. This is a sheer lipstick, so only if you want like a little bit of color, which I generally do in the summer. Not really a matte person in the summer, more of a like glossy slash very sheer lipstick, and this one is a red lipstick, so it'll be sheer, but it'll give you some color and it'll look really nice with the glowy skin. And I just love how hydrating it is, and it just gives you like a really nice color that's very sheer, as I've said 78 times. Lastly, you cannot forget the setting spray. Of course, this is my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. If you don't want your makeup to come off throughout the day, if you want it to last the whole day, I definitely recommend this setting spray. It is my absolute favorite and I cannot recommend it enough. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this glowy skin summer makeup tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!